Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be showing you guys all the great stuff I got at TJ Maxx. Like, you don't even know. Stick around to the end of the video because you're gonna be like, what? You found what? Where? It's insane. And then I have a special guest here who wanted to help me film this video, but you have to look in the camera. The camera's up there. He's still trying to get the gist of it, but the camera's there. Hi. See?
Hi guys, I'm 6 years old.
He is 6 years old. He just turned 6 on Sunday. But yeah, so let's just get right into the video because I can't wait to show you what I got. It's insane. I'm telling you, you're gonna be like, whoa. So the first thing I want to show you is the makeup that I got there. It's not much. I got 2 lip products. I got them because one, I love the brand and I couldn't believe they were in TJ Maxx, and I was like, whoa, for the price, it's insane. So they're both from Anastasia Beverly Hills. One is the matte lipstick in the shade Soft Pink. I did try it a little bit already, so it is used. It had a little bit like a dent in it, but it didn't look like it was used. I mean, I cleaned it anyways, but this is the shade. It's called Soft Pink. It is a very, very, very cute pink color. It actually doesn't look as pink here as it does on the lips, but it's a really nice color. Anyway, so this is Soft Pink, and guess how much this was? And guess how much this was? $8. Yeah.
She can spend more dollars than ever.
And the next thing I got is the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Catnip. This was one of my, well, it is one of my favorite shades. And if Heather would move out the way, I could show you. Yeah, this is one of my favorite shades, and I ran out of it. I haven't replenished it, but I did because it was there, and I was just like, I'm telling you, like, for the price, I was like, yeah, I just cannot stay here. So the shade is called Catnip. This is what I would call a nice mauve neutral shade. It's really cute for like everyday wear. And guess how much this was? If you know the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks, they're either 20 or 21, and I think they're $20. But guess how much I paid for this? $5.99.
What?
Yeah, it's insane. I'm telling you, like, you have to go and dig through all the in the makeup aisle. You have to dig through everything because you never know what you're going to find. My awesome assistant is going to pass me these cosmetic organizers that I found, and these were in the clearance section. Let me show you this one. Now, do I need any more cosmetic organizers? No, of course not. But for $4, yeah, I do. So this is an 8-compartment makeup palette organizer. From the size, these are mostly for your cheek products, highlighters, blushes, or even if you have quad eyeshadow palettes or any like little eyeshadow palettes, this would work for you. But again, $4. Crazy. This next one, it's super, super cute. And again, in the clearance section. Let me show you. So this one has 9 compartments for the lipsticks and then 2 big ones here for whatever other random stuff you have. Now again, do I need any more? No, of course not. But
no,
it's super cute. And I got it because of this reason. This little like gem, diamond, stony, glittery cuteness here. And $4.50. Yeah. See? Isn't it cool? Oh, I think this is super cute. Again, $4.50. That is so not bad. And it's gonna look really cool back there. The major find of the day, that day anyways, I could not believe that this was there. I'm telling you, I literally stopped. I saw it and I was like, am I seeing this right now? Like, is this really in front of me? Totally, like, it took me like 10 minutes to really gather my thoughts, and then of course I bought it because I'm like, there's no way I'm leaving this there. Insane purchase. I have found the Elite Collection special 3 brush sets from Artis makeup brushes. They are the first company, I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but if I'm correct, I think they're like the first company that came out with this oval paddle brush kind of thing. And then after that, everyone else came out with their own versions. I've seen some good, I've seen some bad. I have always wanted to get my hands on these, but they were always very expensive and I just couldn't do it. So I found these, and it's 3 brushes for the price. Even the price was still a little like, okay, crap, did you really just spend that on makeup brushes? But I was like, I mean, come on, it's Artiste, and why not, right? It was my birthday week, you know, like what else? Yeah, so this is the Elite collection in the mirror finish, and we have oval 3, oval 7, and the linear. I'll show you all of them. My assistant is going to help me open the box. Oh, here we have them. The Artiste makeup brushes Elite collection in the mirror finish. And let me just take one out here. So this one.
Wait, can I help? Let me help.
Okay.
Yeah.
Take it slowly. Ooh. So this one here is the oval number 7, and this one is a decent size for foundation, for concealer, for contouring, even I think, because contouring, you know, my big forehead and my cheeks. I think this would be very good. And let's go ahead and, oh my god, they're super soft. Look, feel this. Let me show you. And it is gonna tell you how soft they are. I'm gonna put them in the back of your hand. No, over here. Ooh. I told you! It's crazy! Oh my god, I can't wait to try them. I'm super excited. I never thought I was actually gonna get my hands on these because I kind of gave up after a while. You know, I found some dupes that were actually pretty good, so I was like, okay, yeah, it's never gonna happen for me, whatever. But they're here, in my hands, in my house, in my makeup collection. I'm so freaking excited. I can't even tell you, it's insane. But yeah, they're super soft. Oh my god, I seriously cannot wait to try this on my face. I would do it right now, but you know, I'm full of stuff. So here we are. So I'm sorry, I'm like so super excited. I'm like skimming through everything. But this is the mirror finish, and then it has a little white part here that says Artiste. I'll show you here.
I want to show you.
Okay, but you gotta show them.
I'm gonna hold them.
There you go. It says Artiste.
Ooh, I feel the fluff again.
You see? Yeah, I'm not lying. It's like, it's insane, right? And you know, kids are very honest, so he wouldn't lie. So that is the oval number 7. Again, that one is good for foundation and even contouring, I think. And this one here is oval number 3. This is a little smaller. I would say this is great for concealer underneath the eye. And he wants to feel again.
Ooh, super soft.
I told you. I'm telling you, it's insane. But yeah, so this is a good size for contouring the nose, highlighting the nose, and of course blending in that concealer underneath your eyes. I think this would be a great size for it. Again, this is the mirror finish. Oh god, I can't even tell you how excited I am. And then the last brush in this set is the linear brush. And I'm just going to show you here. This is a very small brush. This is, I'm assuming, for eyelining, and I would even try my eyebrows with this. I don't know, we'll see. But it's a very thin brush here. Again, the mirror finish and the white part that says Artiste. I didn't want to feel the softness again. There goes a review of a 6-year-old. But yeah, super soft. I'm telling you, I think even this one might be you could probably even pull off the contouring around the nose. I think it might be a little too thin for that, but you know, who knows? I'm gonna try it out anyways. But again, definitely gonna put it to good use because you know, and it's funny because it's one of those things that you're like so impressed by that you like don't even want to touch them. Like I have a set of brushes that I haven't even touched because they're so freaking cute and I just don't want to take them out of the packaging. Yeah, I know. But yeah, so this is the Artiste Makeup Brushes Elite Collection. So freaking excited I found this. Now I know you're wondering, what's the price? I wonder what you paid for them. I know. On the box it says that it is regularly priced at $110, which I have done my research and it is about that price. And I paid $80. Yes, still a lot of money for makeup brushes. I agree. But these are like the creme de la creme of makeup brushes. From what I saw, they were the first company that I've seen like on social media and on YouTube when the whole paddle movement started. Like I saw these brushes first and then everyone else followed. So correct me if I'm wrong, leave it in the comment below if actually if another company did start it, but to me I think it's this one. But again, correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know. Yeah, so super excited to have these. I cannot wait to try them out. I want to see if they are as good as they're supposed to be, right? Yeah. So, crazy find. And this is totally a non-related makeup item. I just want to show you anyways because I think for me it was a really awesome find because I've been dying to look for boots like this. I said boots. Yeah, they're boots. Anyways, I've been trying to find boots like this, but I haven't seen them. Especially when I live in New York, so when, you know, the snow hits, I always want like shorter boots. I have these really tall ones. Anyways, long story short, I found winter boots. Short, cute winter boots for next year, and they're pink on the bottom.
I wanna wear them. Let me try them.
No, these are mine.
Nah.
They're not gonna fit your feet.
Yes, they are.
Yeah, so super cute, black, pink on the bottom. It's actually more coral than it is pink, but pink. Yeah, and they were only 20 bucks, so talk about bang for your buck. Because when the snow hits, they're so gonna get used. If you know snow, you know what I'm talking about. And we've come to the end of my TJ Maxx. I can't believe I found this haul. So excited that I found everything that I showed you. You don't even understand what those brushes mean to me, because like I said, I thought I would never even get my hands on them, but they're mine now. Super excited. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on social media. All my info is linked down below. Till the next video, guys. Bye.